All right, so my shack setup here is this. Um, I need a computer for this particular radio if I want to do digital, and also for the waterfall, so that I have an actual display that I can read. Because the one on the radio isn't really all that great. So when the radio looks like that, we just don't really see that. This here we can see the actual signals. So I just like to leave the scope off. Anyway, so I have to have a computer to run that. And then this is a ham clock just running off of a Raspberry Pi Zero. And then I have my other computer over here. So really I need at least two computers all the time. This one isn't really important what kind of computer it is, as long as it can keep up with the streaming software for the pan adapter and the what else? The doing digital. I probably could use one of those HP Stream PCs. Probably. I did try that for a while, but it didn't seem to run real well. So I had another computer over here that was a lot bigger. So and then I keep another one back here. Usually this one is doing nothing, and then I'll have another one next to it that I kind of play around with. And there's kind of a little experimentation area for that. And then I do all my 3D printing over here. And I have another one back over here for music. So there's a solid state 1 terabyte drive in there, and then there's a 240 terabytes, 240 gigabyte solid state drive in there, and also a spinning 1 terabyte drive. And this is supposed to have all the music on it. And it's also hooked up to the stereo over here, along with CD changer and some other stuff. But anyway, basically that one I don't leave it on very much. And then we've got the servers over here I've been playing around with, and the one on the top actually draws less power than this computer here. And I had thought about maybe I should just put that server in this case, because it would breathe better. Because this only has one fan. That's it. I don't know. Also, the way this thing is in here, the board is blocked by the drive, so you can't access all the SATAs. But I guess you don't really need them. But it's set up more like a regular board like this. So anyway, this one here, I'm going to do some experimenting, and then I think I'm going to pull the board out of it and put something else into it. And I might actually put the server in. I don't know. It's hard to say. But I feel like this thing gets really hot on the controller for the drives, and so it needs more air. These, on the other hand, don't get hot, and they have quite a bit of fan cooling going on. This is like the bare minimum that you can get away with. And then you get a couple other towers over here that I'm going to deal with. So this one here, I don't know, I might pull it out and do something else with it, put it in another case, maybe take it out and put it on eBay or something. I don't know, just like, what am I going to do with it? So basically what I want over here is my DDR4 computer. This i7 is really too slow and draws too much power. I've got another i7. It's the other one, the music computer. I forget which one it is. But anyway, this is the second generation i7, so it's not really all that great.